If you're new to photo editing and particularly new to Lightroom, this video is just for you. So today we'll be taking a look at Lightroom Classic, which is the Lightroom version that I prefer to use as opposed to the newer version, which has a bit of a different look and feel. This is the very first page you get when you open Lightroom for the very first time. I've created a new catalog here just to have a completely clean, empty catalog to show you how to get started with Lightroom. In this page, there are a few things you need to get used to get started with Lightroom and start editing your photos. So basically on the left side, there's a panel which shows you your catalog, your folders, and your collections. The most important part here after you import your photos will be the folders section, because this is where your folder structure for the imported images will be. Then there are tabs at the top right corner. We will get into only the first two tabs, which are Library and Develop, which we'll look into in a few moments. So inside your Library tab, you can go to Import at the bottom left corner, and you will be presented with the import window basically. So right here, I've already gone ahead and found the folder that I would like to import photos from. Basically here you are presented with all your hard disks which you have on your PC. In my case, I'm using this particular hard disk, and I went ahead and found the folder that I would like to import photos from. This is a folder with my cat's photos basically. So in this view, you can basically make your thumbnails smaller or larger depending on how many photos you have, and if you want to make everything fit in better. You can uncheck all your photos or check all your photos depending on whether you would like to import all of them at once. And you can even sort your media by different types of filters right here. So for this test, I'm going to import just a few photos right here. Press Import at the bottom right corner, and you're presented with the imported photos in your Library tab right here. So if you double click a photo, you will see that photo. You can use your cursor buttons, left and right buttons on your keyboard to navigate through your photos. You can double click again on the photo to basically go back to the Library tab. Up here in the navigator, you have fill the screen with a photo, or else fit. Basically fit will fit the whole photo in your screen. Once you're acquainted with this particular view, you can go to the Develop tab, where you can change the settings for your photo to make it look better basically, or make it look as desired. So in the Develop tab, you have different sections to edit your photo. There are basic adjustments, which will be the most important adjustments practically for anyone. Anyone adjusting their photo will first and foremost use these basic adjustments. These basic adjustments are not that basic after all, because you really need them. You have to use them. Apart from that, there are some very specific and quite in-depth methods to edit your photo, to adjust lighting, adjust colors. These are a bit more advanced. There are details. Basically, this is a pane where you can adjust sharpness of your photo. You can even remove noise. You can mask your photo to not need any sharpening in particular areas. Lens correction, which I really like to use because it basically removes any distortions from your lens. Transformation controls, effects, and calibration, which are also a bit of an in-depth method to edit your photos. There's also the crop and rotate feature, which you can use to edit your photo and create the desired look, the desired aspect ratio and look. There is a healing brush, which you can use to remove any particular things in the photo which you would like to remove. This tool is very similar to what you would find on Photoshop, for example. As you can see, that healing brush tool that I used quickly removes anything that you select. There's also red eye correction and masks, a very powerful way of changing the way your photo looks. You can really change the way lighting in your photo looks, the colors, and the way to emphasize something in a photo. So that is basically it with regards to getting acquainted with Lightroom Classic. Thank you for watching this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe.